Adjustment for L5S1. So he had problem of L5S1. So earlier he had a nerve compression in the right leg, and nerve root was quite impinged, and there was a numbness and tingling sensation along with the pain in his right leg. We have treated him a few months back, and then he has come for the follow-up. So he's feeling much better. I'm going to do one adjustment. Then his Dr. Shashank, he will give his feedback to you. Just relax yourself. So I have started with the mobilizations of L5S1. This is the transverse process mobilization. It's always help to do the adjustment. He is much better, so we don't need a very high-end adjustment. It's just a minor adjustment what I have to do today, because just a follow-up sitting today. We'll adjust the ilium posterior first from the right side. Yeah, just take a side turn to my side. Just let it straight. Yeah. Just relax your back, totally relax. Breathe in. Yeah, breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe out. Yes. Turn this side. Yeah, just relax. Loose. Yes. Yeah. So we can hold the L5 spinous process, and then we can do the adjustment. Just relax your back. Yeah, again, breathe in. Breathe out. Yes. Sit down. Just do some foot movement. Breathe in, breathe out. Yeah, take a side turn and get up. So, he is Dr. Shashank, a medical practitioner. He is from Guwahati, and he had L5S1 disc bulge along with the right nerve root compression. So he, as I told you, he came to us in the month of March. Then we did some few sessions with him. So we have treated him. He went back, and then he was completely okay. Then he has come to Delhi for the follow-up.
Yes.
So please, Dr. Shashank, you tell me about your problem.
So I had suffered a disc bulge on 2017. So as anyone this happens,
yeah.
So you go for scans and everything. I also went for that, and some people suggested me surgery. Some people suggested me a lot of drugs and everything. So 1 year I suffered, or more than 1 year actually. So this year 2019, I thank God I came to know about Dr. here, and I came here to Blessings on March 2019. I took a session for around 8 to 10 days, and I went back. So this almost 10-11 months I didn't had any single medicine of any painkiller or anything. Initially I used to have a lot of pain and everything, but now thanks to him it's not there. There's no medicines, no stress, only a few things that I have to take care about my exercises and things like that. That's it. And I rest everything. I'm sitting here normally talking without any pain, and it's all thanks to him. Anyone having this bulge with L4, L5, S1 or any spinal thing, I recommend please come and talk to him once. He can do miracles with his hands. I'm telling you this. That's it. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you viewers. Please subscribe my channel for the new videos. Thank you very much. Thank you.